to? Tanga ka lang. What's up mga kapaids, ni Joshua Pe. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I upload a video here sa channel ko. Yeah, 8 months yung pagitan bago ako nakapag-upload ulit ng bagong video sa channel ko. Kumusta kayong lahat? Sana ayos kayo. As usual, grab your ukulele because today is a ukulele tutorial. So for today's video, ang ituturo ko sa inyo is Nothing by Bruno Major. I know, matagal na itong kantang to, pero bakit ba? Na-LSS ako. Gusto kong ituro yung kantang to. Standard tuning, guys. Always tune your ukulele before using it. Yung mga chords na kailangan natin. So yung mga chords na kailangan natin is D, F sharp minor, B minor, D7, E7, A7, E minor, G minor, and yun lang. Yun yung mga chords na kailangan natin all throughout the song. So sa intro, ang chord progression natin is G, D, E7, and A7. So sa G to E7, ang gagawin natin is plucking pattern. So ang plucking pattern natin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2. So, paano yon? So, mag-i-start yung 1 dito sa taas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos pataas, 4, 3, 2. Gets? So, ganito siya. Tapos D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2. Tapos E7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2. And A7. Sa A7, i-strum mo lang siya pababa. Okay. Mabilis. Ganun lang. So, pagdating sa verse, ang chord progression natin is D, F sharp minor, B minor, D7, G, D, E7, and A7. So, ulitin lang natin yung chord progression ng 2 beses. Yung strumming pattern natin dito is, yung ginagawa ko kasi is ganito, parang strum, tapos si 4th string, per chord D, tapos F sharp, ganun mabilis siya. Ganun dapat yung tono niya. Mabilis. Mabilis siya. Bibilisan niyo. Ako yung hindi mabilis eh. So, gagawin ko yung intro and verse. Tracksuits and red wine. Ang pangat ang boses ko, shit. Tracksuits and red wine. Work is for two. We turn off our phones and we'll take off our shoes. We'll play Nintendo, though I always lose. 'Cause you watch the TV while I watching you. After ng verse 1 is yung chorus. Chord progression natin dito is D, F sharp minor, B minor, D7, G, E7, E minor, G minor, and D. So, yun lang. Yung chord progression na yun. Medyo mahaba pero isang strum lang naman per chord. Or yung strumming pattern lang naman natin madali. Down, once. Ganun lang gagawin natin. Ganun lang talaga siya. Hindi na tayo magpapakomplicate pa. So, ganito yung chorus. Gagawin ko yung might not be dancing by the light of the moon. But there's nothing like doing nothing with you. Yung D, yung last chord, pwede nyo namang pag-down 4, 3, 2. Pwede naman yun. We might not be dancing by the light of the moon. But there's nothing like doing nothing with you. And then, after ng chorus, verse 2 na agad. So, sa verse 2, i-repeat lang natin yung chord progression ng verse 1. So, ganito lang siya. Conversations, we lose track of time. Have I told you lately, I'm grateful you're mine. We'll watch the notebook for the 17th time. You say it's stupid, you catch me crying. After ng verse 2, chorus ulit, ba na yung lyrics niya, pero same pa rin yung chord progression natin. Ganun din pa rin yung sa aming pattern, wala naman nagbago. Or kung gusto nyo magbago, lahat naman kayo nagbabago, pero gusto nyo ba yun? Kung gusto nyo gawin yun, bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Yung ko lang is down strum, saka yung isang 4. Okay? We're not making out on a boat in the rain, or in house I paint the blue. There is nothing like doing nothing with you. So, after nung second chorus, bridge na agad. So, sa bridge, yung chord progression natin is B minor, F sharp minor, D, E7. Uulitin lang natin yun ng 3 beses. So, ganito siya. Shut all the windows and lock all the doors. We're not looking for no one. We don't need nothing more. You bite my lip and I want you more. Till we end up in a heap on the floor. You could be dancing on tabletops, wearing high heels. So, after ng bridge is yung outro. So, tapos na tayo, guys. So, yung outro, yung chord progression natin dito is D, F sharp minor, B minor, D7, G, D, E7, and A7. Tapos, umulit lang siya. Pero yung there's nothing like doing nothing with you, yun pa rin yung chord progression niya. So, ganito siya. You could be dancing on tabletops, wearing high heels, drinking until the world is away. But tonight my apartment had so much appeal. There is nothing like doing nothing with you. That's it for today, guys, and I hope you learn in this video, and I hope you like this video. And if you do, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. And thank you guys for always supporting this channel even hindi na ako nakakapag-upload or kahit sobrang tagal ko nang inactive dito sa channel na to. Thank you, at dahil sa inyo, kaya ako bumalik. Thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuport. And always remember that you're loved at huwag makakalimutan mag-influence sa iba. See you next time on my next video, everyone. Thank you po. Bye! Tracksuits and red movies for two. Turn off our phones and we take off our shoes. We play Nintendo. The TV while I'm watching you. Might not be dancing by the light of the moon. But there's nothing like doing nothing with you. Conversations, you lose track of time. Have I told you lately, I'm grateful you're mine. We'll watch the notebook for the 17th time. I'll say it's stupid and you catch me crying. Not making out on a boat in the rain, or in a house I've been There is nothing like doing nothing with you. So we shut all the windows and lock all the doors. We're not looking for no one. We don't need nothing more. Bite my lip and want you more. Till we end up in a heap on the floor. You could be dancing until dusk, or wearing high heels, drinking until the world spins like a wheel. But tonight my apartment had so much appeal. There is nothing like doing nothing with you.